Kentucky Derby 144, and it's been raining today. I want to make sure I take this poncho off in a moment and go in so that you can see my bow tie. And some great hats, too. All right, so we have Tom and Graham here, and you've been at how's the cuisine in Kentucky so far for you?
I think it's been delicious. What do you think?
I had dinner at Edley's restaurant last night. It was really, really good.
Which ones?
Edley.
Oh, right.
610. Yeah, 610. That's it. Yeah.
And I did Cook on Maine, so great stuff out here. Love it.
What'd you have?
A bunch of bourbon, obviously.
He has too much.
Yeah, I would say that I'm holding these for someone, but I'm not. I'm
for you.
being honest. Yeah, totally for me.
Have you all been to Derby before?
I have not. This is my first time. Yeah, we're usually in production during Derby time. This is great. It's just fantastic. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Any dishes you like infusing bourbon and whiskey into?
I like drinking it with whatever I'm eating, but it is always great to cook with. It's got such sweet, beautiful flavors. Tom is actually going to be doing a little thing later and cooking with it.
I am. Yeah. So for NBC at around 3:20, I think I'm doing a little taco because it is Cinco de Mayo. So we're doing bourbon glazed pork shoulder tacos. Yeah.
Where's that going to be?
I'm not giving them out. It's just
I may have to check that out.
It's just for TV. That's it. Yeah.
No, he's already making me want some.
Right.
You like drinking whiskey with the food. It's amazing stuff. We're glad to have you guys here. Kentucky Derby 144.
Yep.
Thanks for chatting with us on Bourbon Blog.
All right,
Thanks.
cheers. Yeah, absolutely.
Thank you guys both so much. Appreciate it. All right, it's Chris Clear of Sentient Jet here in the green room at Kentucky Derby 144. Tell us about Sentient Jet.
Sure. So we're a private jet company based up in Boston, Massachusetts. Got about 6,000 clients that fly with us, and we do a 25-hour card that allows people to pre-buy some hours at a discounted rate to fly to great events like the Kentucky Derby.
If you took all 25 hours, where could you land?
You could go anywhere.
You go a lot of places.
Go over to Europe. You could experience down in the Bahamas. You go anywhere you want. So.
And I bet you had some people that came from elsewhere to get here today is on the Sentient Jets?
Yeah, we've got about 250 clients that flew in from all over the country.
Nice.
And just looking forward to a great day, although the weather's not cooperating, unfortunately. But it's always a fun year, a fun day at the track, and lots of people trying to make a lot of money. That's why we're here.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you. By the way,
thank you. So, of course, it's customary here at Churchill Downs to light a cigar before the big Derby race, which is what I've done. And, got a little white whiskey glass, too. Cheers. Justified wins, and that's who I had my money on. Number 7, Justified wins. Kentucky Derby 144. That's it, and we're gonna continue to enjoy our cigar and whiskey. Well done, Justified.